Are you ready to enter a world of sewing perfection? A world where creativity meets technology. Are you ready to enter the world of PFAFF? For more than 150 years, through innovations such as the original IDT system, PFAFF has empowered sewers with precision, customization, and unlimited creativity. Realize your potential and experience a new dimension of sewing and quilting with the PFAFF Expression line. Featuring a large 250mm sewing space and the original IDT system, these machines are extraordinary for quilting. The automatic thread tension and thread snip features will delight even the most demanding quilters. Immerse yourself in the fascinating selection of over 209mm high-quality stitches and alphabets, and create unique embellishments stitched perfectly. Expression line. 2 models, each with the exceptional features, are waiting to be discovered by you. Visit your local dealer today.